Okay, so we're going to take a look at some stuff to start. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at creating joints with Python, and these joints will be used to create the skeleton. So, if we go in and we go to the animation menu set here, we can go to, oh, sorry, not animation, rigging, skeleton, create joints. If we create a joint in the viewport there, so I created two joints there. Let's look at the commands inside of the script editor here. So we can see we're using the joint command. Let's go to Python, and we're going to start off by importing the Maya commands to Python. So import maya.cmds, and I like to use the shortcut MC. So we can create a joint by using the command here, mc.joint, and then let's run this. And we can see we created a joint down in the base right there. So that's how we create a joint. If we want to look at the command documentation, you can select the command, right click, go to command documentation, and we can see all the commands that we can use. We can set some examples down at the bottom, but all of these are the flags or the arguments that we can use to adjust different settings of the joints. So let's take, I need this open. Okay. So I'm going to delete this. If we wanted to give it a name, we can go n for name equals my joint, for example. And then we can run this command, and if we select this, we can see that it is named my joint. Okay, now let's say we wanted another joint, mc.joint n equals, let's call this second joint, and we can run all this together. So here we can see that with the last thing that we have selected is the second joint, and if we pull it straight up, we can see that it is automatically parented to the previous joint. So if you want to set up things that are parented already together, that would be a way to do it. So you can create all the joints automatically where we that we need parented like this. So again, you can keep on adding joints and they'll automatically be parented. Now let's take a look, let's erase this. And let's take a look at setting the position. So we have position, and let's create a joint really quick so we can see kind of approximately where we need it to be. So here, it's about 82 units to bring it into the hip section in the Y. So let's say position is equal to 0, 82, 0. Okay, so if I run this script now, you'll see that it created the joints there in the pelvis area. We have it there created where we need it. And then the second joint, it didn't create it at 0, 0, 0. It created it, parented to it, and in exactly the same spot. So it's using the previous location of the parent to be able to create that. So if we were to say p equals, and we were to try 0, 0, 0, it's not going to work. And I'll show you that right now. 0, 0. Okay, so let's run all of this here. Oh, it did work. Okay, so it's using the world position. So that's good to know. So when we do the position and we create a second joint here, we are going to have everything exactly where we need it to be. So if we're creating the joints in an appropriate position using the world coordinates, so if we had an idea of what we wanted to create and where it was, like we calculated up for the hips, we can create it there. So if we use the position, that is going to be zeroed out, which is perfect. That's what we're going to need. Now, what I'm going to do is create a template for myself right now, and I'm going to do it manually so that I can see where I need all the joints for this skeleton to use it as a base, so that I can see where the joints need to be positioned. I'm only going to do the main joints right now. Actually, yeah, we'll do all the joints, but I'm only going to do one side, the character's left-hand side. So that way we can get the values that we need. So I'm going to do this between videos, and then in the next video we'll see the whole skeleton on one side created, so that way we can get that information to write our script here to create the skeleton joints that we're going to need. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.